Hello everybody, today you join me in Florida for the PCA Werks reunion, and I have one of the very neatest Porsche 911s in front of me. It's a slant nose 1983 Guards Red Sonderwunsch car, one of the first 58 that was only available by special order from Porsche. This wasn't on the options list, and I've never seen anything quite like it. It has no headlights, look at that. And this is a really original car. The owner tells me it has very low mileage, all original interior, and it is just a stunning showpiece. Look at the inside here, so you can see it was custom ordered with the leather wrap around the steering wheel and the dashboard, and it just has that really authentic look of the original perforated leather. I think when they're restored, they just don't have this kind of charm. It's so clean in and out and everywhere you look. So you can see the way the steering wheel was wrapped here. And we can see it has 11,000 original miles. Wow. So this is Guards Red car. Looking wonderful in the Florida light here. It's the owner. There's James. So this was sold new to Switzerland before going to Dubai, and it's now been recommissioned in the US. Paint to sample Guards Red, wow. Hey James, can we see the engine?
Sure.
The license plate M39, is that the option code?
No.
Nope.
That's just a random plate.
Oh, random plate. Okay. Wow, really nice and clean in here. Original decals, stuff I like to see. The original fits and finishes as delivered from the factory. Super clean too. Look at the inside of the trunk. Wow. What an amazing Porsche here at the Werks reunion. Let's get an overall shot here. Got my shadow in there. Yeah, I love the look at this. It's kind of mimicking the Porsche race car, the 935 race car, and I think it really nails it. So instead of having traditional headlights, it just has running lights. Holy. So, James, other than the, of course, the slant nose and the interior PTS Guards Red, is there anything else I'm missing?
Well, which is nice about it.
Yeah.
Let me see here. I got to calculate. It's got roughly, I don't know, 6,500 miles on it.
Yeah, really low mileage, this example. Yeah. And it's totally original.
Yep, other than, tires.
Tires, maintenance items.
Yeah, I just actually had it serviced.
Okay.
Fuel filter.
Yeah.
No, it's never, and it's all original paint.
Yeah,
it's never,
wonderful.
Never, except for my little touch-ups.
Yeah, all original paint, everybody. How about that? All right, well, thanks so much for sharing your car with us today. And everybody, thanks for watching. As always, if you like what you see or you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. All right, that does it. See you later, everybody. Bye-bye.